A warning for parents tonight about the whooping cough outbreak in Bernalillo County. Infants are being hospitalized at an alarming rate. And tonight we're learning getting your children vaccinated may not be enough to stop them from getting sick. Action 7 News anchor Tanya Mendez has the story only on 7.
4-week-old Brielle's mother says she wants to do everything possible to keep her healthy.
There's just no question when they ask us if we wanted the shot.
Shanna Garcia chose to vaccinate all 3 of her children to try to stop them from catching the highly contagious whooping cough going around Bernalillo County.
It's heartbreaking.
The Department of Health says the cases have stabilized, but the threat is far from gone.
We monitor it very closely every day.
Epidemiologist David Salvage warns parents even vaccinations may not be enough.
That over time, immunity, or those protective antibodies that the vaccine provides, start to wane, they start to diminish. And as a result, people can then become susceptible and become infected.
Whooping cough is most dangerous for infants. Just since this outbreak began, Bernalillo County has had 7 cases that have led to hospital stays. 5 were babies.
Infants who contract pertussis are much more likely to be hospitalized, are much more likely to suffer severe complications and even death.
Which is why Garcia isn't taking any chances.
I'm going to prevent it as much as I can, and if it doesn't work, then, I tried.
In Bernalillo County, Tanya Mendez, KOAT, Action 7 News.
There are confirmed cases of people here who were vaccinated and still got sick. The Department of Health is advising parents to be sure your children are up to date on their shots. Many of the cases of whooping cough are showing up in kids who are behind on their vaccination schedule.